Hello everyone, I am Shivakani, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics. Here we are discussing the topic Singularities and Lorentz series. The contents of the topics are Introduction, Types of Singularities, Problems based on Singularities, Definition of Lorentz series, and finally Problems based on Lorentz series. Introduction. In mathematics, a singularity is in general a point at which a given mathematical object is not defined, or a point of an exceptional shape where it fails to be well behaved in some particular way, such as differentiability. For example, the function f of x is equal to 1 by x on the real line has a singularity at x is equal to 0, where it seems to be explored to plus or minus infinity and it is not defined. If a function fails to be analytic at a point z0, one cannot apply Taylor's theorem at that point. Lorentz series may be used to express complex function where Taylor series of expansion cannot be applied. The Lorentz series was first published by Pierre Alphonse Lorentz in 1843. Types of singularities. There are three types of singularities. First one, removable singularity. Second one, pole. Third one is essential singularity. First one, removable singularity. First we know that the singular point. Singularity is called a singular point. Consider a one point z equal to a is called a removable singularity of f of z if two conditions are satisfied. Then first one is z equal to a is a singular point. Then second one is limit z tends to a, f of z is exist. This means that if the principal parts contains a finite number of terms only, that is called a removable singularity. Next one, the definition of pole. A simple pole of an analytic function is a pole of order 1, that is an analytic function at that pole. For example, f of x is equal to 1 by x minus 1. Here z equal to 1 is a pole of order 1. Next one, the definition of essential singularity. Consider a point z equal to a is called the essential singularity of f of z if limit z tends to a, f of z does not exist. That is, every singular point of f of z which is not a pole, it is called a essential singularity. This means that if the principal parts contains an infinite number of terms only, this is called the essential singularity. Next one is problems based on singularities. First problem is that identify the type of singularities of the following function e power z divided by z square plus 4. Solution. Let f of z equal to e power z divided by z square plus 4. Here, the poles of f of z are obtained by equating the denominator part to 0. That is, the denominator part is z square plus 4 equal to 0, which implies that z square equal to minus 4. That is, z equal to plus or minus 2i. That is, z equal to 2i is a simple pole and z equal to minus 2a is another simple pole. Therefore, limit z tends to 0, the given function e power z divided by z square plus 4. Substituting z in the place of 0, we get 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the finite number of terms only. Therefore, the given problem is a removable singularity. Second problem is that discuss the nature of the singularities of the following function f of z equal to e power z. Solution. Let f of z equal to e power z. We already know that the formula for e power z is 1 plus z by 1 factorial plus z square by 2 factorial plus etc. Here z equal to 0, we get the final value. F of z equal to 1. Here f of z equal to 1 is a finite number of terms. Therefore, the given problem is a removable singularity. Third problem is that identify the type of singularities of the function f of z equal to sine of 1 by z minus a. Solution. Here z equal to a is the only singular point. We know that the formula for sine z is z minus z cube by 3 factorial plus z power 5 by 5 factorial. Here z in the place of 1 by z minus a. Therefore, 1 by z minus a minus 1 divided by 3 factorial into z minus a whole cube plus 1 by 5 factorial into z minus a whole power 5 minus etc. Substituting z in the place of a, we get the final value is infinity. Infinity is the infinite number of terms only. Therefore, the given problem is an essential singularity. Next, the definition of Lorentz series. Consider the two circles C1 and C2 with the center A and radius R1 and R2. If f of z is analytic on the circle C1 and C2 throughout the region capital R between, then each point z in R between f of z is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to infinity an into z minus a whole to the power n plus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity into bn divided by z minus a whole to the power n, where an is equal to 1 by 2 pi a into integral over c1 f of z divided by z minus a whole power 1 plus n into dz, comma bn is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi a into integral over c2 f of z divided by z minus a into 1 power of 1 minus n into dz. Next one result is an analytic function f of z is said to have a 0 of order m if f of z is expressed as f of z is equal to z minus a whole to the power m into pi of z, where pi of z is analytic and pi of a not equal to 0. When m is equal to 1, comma a is called a simple 0. Next, first problem is that find the Lorentz series for the function f of z is equal to z squared into e power 1 by z. About the point z is equal to 0. Solution, given the function z squared into e power of 1 by z. We already know that e power z. E power z is 1 plus z squared by 2 factorial plus etc. Here z in the place of 1 by z. Therefore, z squared into 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by 2 factorial into 1 by z square plus etc. Multiplying the z square, we get the final value z square plus z plus 1 by 2 plus etc. The second problem is the obtain the Lorentz series expansion of f of z is equal to z square minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Two conditions are there. First condition is that modulus of z greater than 3 and the second condition is that 2 less than modulus of z less than 3. Solution, given function f of z is equal to z square minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Therefore, z square minus 1 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3 can be written as z square plus 5z plus 6. This can be written as quotient value. Quotient value is 1. Quotient value is 1. Remainder value is minus 5z minus 7 divided the term is z square plus 5z plus 6 can be written as z plus 2 into z plus 3. Consider the term minus 5z minus 7 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3. Using partial fraction method, a divided by z plus 2 plus b divided by z plus 3. This can be written as minus 5z minus 7 is equal to, using gross multiplication method, a into z plus 3 plus b into z plus 2. Put z equal to minus 3, we get the value b is equal to minus 8. Put z is equal to minus 2, we get the value a is equal to 3. Substituting a and b values in the above equation. Therefore, minus 5z minus 7 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3 is equal to 1 plus minus 5z minus 7 divided by z plus 2 into z plus 3 can be written as a divided by z plus 2 plus b divided by z plus 3. Therefore, a value is 3 divided by z plus 2 plus b value is minus 8 divided by z plus 3. Given the first region, modulus of z greater than 3. Modulus of z greater than 3. Modulus of z greater than 3 is equal to, consider the second region, modulus of z greater than 2. Consider modulus of z greater than 3 can be written as modulus of 3 by z less than 1. This means that modulus of z greater than 3 can be written as modulus of z by 3 greater than 1. Taking reciprocal on both sides, we get the value modulus of 3 by z less than 1. This means that Lorentz series Lorentz series include the terms of negative power. So, consider the less than sign only. Next, consider the second term, modulus of z greater than 2 can be written as modulus of 2 by z less than 1. This means that Lorentz series contains the includes the negative sign. So, consider the less than sign. Modulus of z greater than 2 can be written as modulus of modulus of z by 2 greater than 1, taking reciprocal on both sides, we get modulus of 2 by z less than 1. Therefore, f of z is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by z is taken as outside 1 plus 2 by z minus 8 divided by z is taken as outside 1 plus 3 by z is equal to 1 plus 3 by z into 1 divided by 1 plus 2 by z can be written as 1 plus 2 by z whole power minus 1 minus 8 by z into this can be written as 1 plus 3 by z whole power minus 1, which implies that 1 plus 3 by z into 1 plus x whole power minus 1 formula. 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube. Here x in the place of 2 by z. Minus 8 by z into, again using that same formula, 1 plus x whole power minus 1. Here x in the place of 3 by z. We get the final value 1 plus 3 by z into 1 minus 2 by z plus 2 by z whole square minus 2 by z whole cube plus etc. The formula is summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n into 2 by z whole to the power n minus 8 by z into summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n into 3 by z whole to the power n. Therefore, f of z is equal to 1 plus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n is taken as outside. We get the value 3 into 2 power n minus 8 into 3 power n divided by z power n plus 1. Consider the second region 2 less than modulus of z greater than 3. First consider the 2 less than modulus of z greater than 3. 2 less than modulus of z can be written as modulus of 2 by z less than 1. This means the Lorentz series contains a negative terms. So consider the less than sign only. Modulus of z greater than 3 can be written as modulus of 3 by z less than 1. This means that modulus of z by 3 greater than 1, taking reciprocal on both sides, we get modulus of 3 by z less than 1. Therefore, f of z is equal to 1 plus 3 divided by z into 1 plus 2 by z minus 8 divided by z into 1 plus 2 by z. This can be written as 1 plus 3 by z into 1 plus 2 by z whole power minus 1 minus 8 by z into 1 plus 2 by z whole power minus 1. Therefore, the final value is f of z is equal to 1 plus summation n is equal to 0 to infinity minus 1 whole to the power n is taken as outside. We get the value 3 into 2 power n divided by z power n plus 1 minus 8 into z power n divided by 3 power n plus 1. Here there are practice problem, practice yourself. Here the link is given using the contents of Lorentz series and singularities. Textbooks and reference books are given. Thank you.